Hey folks, how you going? It's going to be a bit of a precarious flight today because I'm surrounded by a ton of rocks. Got the little Happymodel, the HDZERO little Crux here. A couple of reviews on this already. This of course is sporting the HDZERO setup here on my Sky Zones. I'll show you another pic of that shortly when it's out from around my neck. I'm going to fly it here around the marina, hopefully not get caught up in some of the boat sails. Have a cruise over there to the rear of those buildings, I hope. I've got the Mini Star 650 4S underneath. A few flies around here which is flaming annoying, even though I got the aero guard on, which is meant to deter them. Sometimes I think it attracts them. So, oh yeah, I've got the X2s on the front here. A really good patch antenna, double luminaire on the roof there. So this is going to get my nice wide range, the luminaires. The patches, these are more directional, so the further you go out, the narrower the beam's going to get. So I'm going to have to steady myself on this rock. If I'm flying it there a long way, you want to be aiming straight out there. The minute you start looking away, because this is like a torch beam, it's going to be narrowing itself the further away I get, which means you're going to be losing signal on the patches. So it's pretty important to try and keep those in range. It's the only downside of these, you need to really follow your quad around. Apart from that, they're really good. This HDZERO setup on the Sky Zones I love. Really nice setup. I know you can get the HDZERO goggles now, but this is the best of both worlds, both analog and digital, and I'll be using this for some time. There's a boat leaving, let's get out there and have a fly. Let's get up in the sky. Better just go straight up so I don't hit those rocks. I will start by cruising. Oh, those flies. Straight over here. I do like to stay clear of the water just for a short period of time. I'm waiting to see if something's going to happen to the quad, i.e. it's going to have some sort of fail-safe and ditch it. I'd much rather it ditched it on the hard ground rather than the water. Looking pretty good. I love to have a GPS on one of my HD setups. I do know that this is just to the right, so I'll just sneak over to the right there. You can see the antennas on the top right. So those dropping antennas that are dropping out over the water now. Take your breath, guys. Those antennas that are dropping out are the patch antennas. They're the first to go. Let's go to the left slightly. Nice little marina here. Get a bit of altitude there. You can see those patch antennas dropping down again. The double luminaires are going to do the job really well. Looking pretty good though. Let's just go down a little bit. Really nice pitch on this HDZERO setup, guys. If you're thinking of getting into the HDZERO scene, absolutely I recommend it. Let's scoot along here, along the rocks here, which is to my left, so I'll just turn to the left slightly and let's nip down here, and you should be seeing me standing on the rocks just there, and quick flyby. Looking good. Okay, no, not me, that's the camera's looking good. Looking straight ahead again. Someone launching their boat. Let's see if we can't, I won't bother him, however I will go down the marina here, just do a little bit of boat sightseeing. Wow, very nice. Not normally allowed down here, so it's nice to go for a little bit of a cruise, look at the nice boats. Probably a few boats out fishing at the moment. It's about 30 degrees. Nice day for fishing. Trying to think where I need to position my body. I need to be looking this way, straight up. Yeah, some small boats, some dinghies, some yachts, some nice big cruisers. Ah, excellent. HDZERO, terrific. Okay, let's go for a bit of a mountain climb, shall we? 3.87 volts. Ah, nothing like a mountain climb. And someone's calling me, but I'm a long way away. I suspect he's caught a fish, so I'll head back down shortly and see what fish he's caught. I'll see if I can get down there. He's caught a bit of a squid. Let's go down without getting into the drink. Oh, no, yep. Okay, let's try again. Let's get ourselves steadied. Oh, there it is there, nice little squid. Beautiful. Okay, getting low on power now, so I do want to go and get rid of that fly that's on my neck. Right, okay. See if I can climb up to those hills just ahead of us and have a quick squiz around, and I think we'll just about be done for power supply. This is the best way to climb a hill, guys. Oh, awesome. Really nice. And there we go, beautiful. Looks like there could be a few squid here, so I might need to go chuck the rod in. See if I can't catch myself a bit of a squiddy. Any sharks? Hope you enjoyed the flight, guys. Drop us a comment, drop us a thumbs up. Let's land it and go for a fish.